Seneca is a Stoic Roman philosopher who's well known for his attitude towards death, that death is inevitable and humans are mortal and we should accept that. And also that, we should live life to the fullest. He's Stoic in the general sense that, like Epictetus or Marcus Aurelius, his view is that we should focus on what we can control and all the things that are outside of our control. That is, things that are attributable to fortune or fortuna. Those things we should accept and try to flow with. And so let's look at another passage from old Seneca here typed out on our Brilliant. So to that theme of that we must adapt ourselves to that which we cannot control. So you must match time's swiftness with your speed in using it. Nice bell. They all have got nice bells. This one's got a great little bell. And you must drink quickly as though from a rapid stream that will not always flow.